We begin tonight with a rekindled debate over a Triad Confederate monument. Good evening, I'm Chad Silver. Julie Luck is off. The statue came down 3 years ago. Well, today, attorneys for the city of Winston-Salem and the United Daughters of the Confederacy went head-to-head in front of the state Supreme Court. The two sides disagree about who owns the statue and where it should stand. WFMY News 2's Grace Holland listened in on the debate as the highest court in the state weighs the statue's future.
Chad, this monument has been in storage since 2019. The city says it has no plans to take it out without an owner. You'll remember the United Daughters of the Confederacy filed a lawsuit because it wanted the statue put back up. The UDC argued in court today it's possible it owns the statue because the city told the group it did. Initially, the city wrote a letter to the UDC asking the group to take it down. The city ended up removing the statue on its own when the organization didn't.
The city acted without judicial process. They just came in and grabbed the monument and put it in storage and then asked the court to make us go away, saying that we had not an interest in this property.
The city says it didn't need to go through that process because the owner of the land the statue sat on also wanted it removed. For some background, the old courthouse grounds where the monument sat for more than 100 years had been converted to private apartments. The city attorney says that letter was sent as a courtesy because the UDC claimed it owned the statue.
There was a private property owner who agreed, who expressed safety concerns and said, please remove this monument. My residents are calling the police, they're calling me. They're afraid of what's occurring right outside their bedroom windows.
The case is basically in the hands of the justices now, but it could take months before there is a final decision. The UDC wants to put the statue back up on the old courthouse grounds if it's granted ownership. The city says it wants the statue moved to a different location. Previously, Mayor Joines mentioned Salem Cemetery since there are Confederate soldiers buried there.